Hey folks, it's Papa Texas, and this is another edition of Papa's Kitchen. That's right. What do we have for you today? Look at this. P.F. Chang's a Mongolian. That's right. We're going to do Mongolian beef on the disco. So it's like Mongolian beef Discada. Yeah, because we're using that Texas wok today. Y'all enjoy. See you at the end on the taste test. Yeah. Well, I'm gonna tell you this. So, I was over here busy cooking, and I don't have the screen on me, so I can't see what's going on. And I went over there to turn it off, and the battery was dead. So I have no idea where. I'll have to look at it before I do a taste test. This stuff turned out awesome. Let me explain this to you. So what I did, I put them in starch, the beef. flank steak, skirt steak, whatever you want. You could do chicken, whatever. You just put, I got some flanking ribs in there. I'm gonna do this too eventually. Not on camera yet. So anyway, so what you do, you take your meat and you put it in cornstarch, refrigerate it for about 15 minutes, fire her up a little bit, not all the way done. Clean off your oil, put it in a pan that's dry, kind of sear it, add your green onions, and then add your sauce. And then you just kind of mix it around, let it ooze in, goose in, whatever. And you'll see that sauce bubbling and everything else. And then you turn around and you turn that fuel off, whatever you're using. And you just let it just sit there and enjoy the goodness. That's right. I was flipping the beef around. I could see that everything was seared, everything looked good. So now what we're going to do is we're going to plate it up and do a taste test with this. I've never had the P.F. Chang's Mongolian beef sauce from the store. Alright, next thing you see, I'm going to use this to scoop her out so that the sauce will slip through there. Put it on my plate and we'll go back over to my other area. Eventually this area I'm at now is going to completely change. It's going to become a outdoor cooking area with lights, walls, better everything. You're going to enjoy it. Hopefully that comes up before the end of 2021 for me to build that. It's going to be awesome. Update for my channel. Alright, let's go. Look at the goodness. Yeah, thanks P.F. Chang. Yeah, it's Papa Texas. This is Papa's kitchen. Yeah, get you some of this. I'll leave a link to it down below. You are not gonna miss it. Yeah. There's the finished product. Oh yeah. Oh man, let's get this one right here. This is the ultimate one right here, you know. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. It tastes like Mongolian beef from P.F. Chang's. You know what? You try this, and what you do is you say, you know what, I'm gonna add a little bit of brown sugar. That's what Papa would do. I might even add some Uncle Steve Shake spicier to the cornstarch. When Gigi gets home, she's been gone for 4 days. She's gonna love this. She knows what's gonna be waiting for her. She's almost back. Yeah. You know, you do not want to miss another cooking episode from Papa Texas. That's why you hit that dinner bell and you'll be notified when I put a cooking video out. That's right. And if you're on Facebook, just put in Papa Texas. I'm on there too, and you can connect to me because I post my videos over there too. My cooking videos, not my other ones normally, my cooking ones. All right, that's enough self-promotion. Promoting. Hope you enjoyed. It was a blast making this. I'll go eat now. Oh, one other thing. So, my greens disappeared. My green onions. And I mistakenly was cleaning up, and I just threw the rest of them away. Mistake. What you need to do is garnish them at the end so that you have some greens showing on here. That's right, I can taste the greens though. But, good sauce. You ought to try it. Link down below for it. You just go down there, click on that, order you some. Try it yourself. Again, this is Papa Texas, Papa's Kitchen. Check out my playlist, Papa's Kitchen. Or my other playlist, my friends cooking on YouTube, because they have awesome videos in that one too. All right, you have a great rest of the week. We'll see you in 2 weeks. We're going to Lollapalooza, Cedar Hill State Park, Thursday through Sunday. You can swing by there and say hi to Papa. You ain't gonna miss me. I got stuff that's gonna say Papa Texas all over the place. There's gonna be a whole bunch of other YouTubers out there. The park is packed. The park is full. I'm at Site 62. See ya.